welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, and hi guys, how are you? Oh, the light on my face looks so not enough color. But yeah, it's a lovely day. It's a bit cold. So, as much as I want to go out, I think I'm going to refrain from doing so. Yeah? I will just stay in my house, have a cup of tea, be the introvert that I am, and just look through my window and watch the world through my my mobile phone, my smart device. But yeah, the internet, me not know Queenie and Dowey make the internet sweet, we can't get rid of Queenie now. We're gonna have to deal with Queenie for 40 days and 40 nights. And it probably is gonna be more than 40 days and 40 nights because remember said we cannot upload nothing on social media. So he cannot have a personal life after Queenie. He cannot do anything and upload it because anytime upload anything with any other female, you know the one and only is gonna get crazy. No, sir. Queenie is so 16. Mears mother cause Queenie while I went to say mother was lesbian night to the man. Then not what. So lesbo just the anyway, I wish you all the best. I wish you people all the best, and I wish you can have calm in your life. I wish you can have peace and tranquility in your life. I wish you nothing but goodness and grace and mercy. Let me God now right now, but most people now tell us happy, live your life, but you people associate yourself with so many negative things. So when things come back to bite you, like, duh, you put yourself in that situation. Why couldn't you be an introvert like me? I don't go anywhere. I like to stay in my house and drink tea. Even if I have a real nephew, my first choice is tea. But I might have some real nigga today. But I love my company. I love in my house. I'm paying my bills. I'm paying all my bills. So I'm now run out of my house because now that's peace. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing a few live clips with you in regards to the whole situation with Queenie and Dowey and Cutie and Dewey's mom and even the poor little baby, newborn baby, got dragged in it. So we're gonna be having a listen as to what is going on in this space. But to me, it's just quite sad. It's just quite sad that Queenie's in that situation, and you can't blame people. Why? People love, and them say love is blind. They say love is blind, and even though a lot of us saw it coming, majority of us saw it coming, but I guess she had to experience it herself.
I do like me live somewhere for her. I don't live nowhere for her. If I get up in the morning and I hear my son quarreling with she, me I ask him what the fuck him think is happening. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this shit. This woman is such a wicked and liar woman because I try to help her in every way I can. The other day when she was supposed to come to America, I was the one who get the things prepared for her and send her to the embassy. She paid her money. I didn't pay no money for her. I paid the money for Dwayne to go to embassy to get his visa. And the same girl that I hook up Dwayne with is the same girl I hook her up with, right? Dwayne get her visa. She don't get her visa because she had 29 felony. You hear me tell you, girl? Girl, me a decent girl. Me a decent mother for my picking. You hear me tell you? And me a fight for my picking. Me buy my house and me put him on it. No boy and no girl can't take him out of that. You hear me tell you, Jojo? Okay.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
a whole heap of thing to this, you know. Can me talk to her mother and her brother yesterday, you know. And a whole heap of thing, you know, Jojo. A whole heap of things that she depend the acquired crocodile tears and I come and tell lie. The mother says she no get no threat.
Oh God.
Oh, the mother called me yesterday and tell me, say, oh, that me no get no threat. I lie, the girl I tell for me pick me. You hear me? There's a lot of things to this, you know.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, darling. Okay.
So, everybody wants to talk and say doing this and doing. If doing did want things from Queenie, don't you would have stay?
Yes, that's what I keep telling
The
people.
man can't deal with certain things and just come out tight and do you love Queenie, you know? Do you love
All
Queenie,
right.
you know?
Me know. But some of
But
them not see it. Me know. Because he would have a divorce long time. And he not do no divorce.
she never said nothing. Look here, Queenie have my right address where I used to live when I live with my husband. She have the right address. So here what she did now. She put 41 Webster Street. I don't care. 41 Webster Street, and she put a different town instead of she put Newington. She put a different town. So it didn't come to us. It went to Meriden. I don't live in Meriden, right? She sent back for the address and we send her the right address. My husband said to me the other day, oh, you say papers are come here for doing and I don't see no papers. You understand? And I said to him, I don't know. She said she was going to send papers. No papers came here, right?
Yeah.
So Miss Anglen now says she get back it because she sent the divorce and it don't come true. Please, stop telling lies, man. Stop telling lies. I don't have no time to. I didn't send for Dwayne because when I meet Queenie 2020, I was coming up in October 2020, and I see her coming down my pathway, and she run. When she see me, and when me say, oh, that Queenie, she turned back and she said, oh, you're nice, you're a little bit nice and tall here. She was embarrassed to see that me as a big, she come and take my little 34-year-old picking and she a big old 54-year-old woman. You see, so she run and hide. And I went away. When I went away and when I was up there, Dwayne send me a ring, say I go marry the woman. And me said to him, say, you sure you want the woman? You go married to woman. Me no cook up nothing with this woman nor nothing. Me no know nothing about Obia, dirty people that online at about me. I work Obia upon doing. What the wait upon Queenie? What the fuck Queenie have when me I go work Obia upon her for? A 3 year me come here, me own a house and me own a car where me don't pay for. You hear me tell you, girl? Me 3 years me dey here and me own a house and me own a car. And she make Dwayne no depend filing like me next son because she married Dwayne and me in a file for her. Okay. So people don't know the half of the story, you know. You see them call her mother cry, you know, I water, you know. And say the lies them with Queenie tell pan Dwayne, you know. Girl, you don't know the half of this thing, you know. I don't know why this woman so bitter against this man, you know. If the man don't want you, move on, brother. Move on because of your dirty ways, brother. Oh, you go tell man, say man lock up in a room and fuck with him mother. Eh? I expect the man to respect you. Oh, you go tell your man to go suck out, kiss out, what? Suck out him mama thinking pussy and expect the man to go respect you. Huh? Tell me now. Lady, how much years of this me a carry, you know? How much years of this, you know? Me left here Jamaica. Me come a foreign with it, Dwayne come here with it same way. You understand what me I say? Me tired of it with them. She feel leave me alone. The power of attorney where she write is my address upon it. That's why I said it's a fraudulent document because it's not the mother address. It's my address. And I tell him, don't sign it.
Okay.
I tell him, don't sign it. And why would you want to tie yourself to somebody who you and them not together? Why you want to do that to yourself? She just said, Dwayne make she lose her house. Which house? Did she get the house? You can't get the house unless you two want to sign together. She never get no house. So which house Dwayne make she lose? I'm tired of this now, man. Girl, me come here and me work my ass off as she say me a clean shit. I don't fucking cares. I work for what I want and I own a house. You understand me? And I own a fucking car, which is mine, not the bank. And my credit score is 830. I can get anything I want to achieve here in the United States of America. I could file for doing because I come here, when I come here, you have to have 2 years W-2 before you can file for anybody. You understand me? It's 2022. I put in my next son and I couldn't file for doing because I wasn't gonna file for her.
Oh, okay.
I tried to help her to come here the other day because I tried to put in the paper. Me even try to sit down with the woman and make sure answer the question. Then when me think they would have asked her. So, oh, me bad mind. Oh, me bad mind. Oh, me bad mind. Hey, a whole heap of things when me don't want to talk, you know. It's a whole heap of things when me don't want to talk, you know. She
Okay.
England every day she beat him. Every day she beat him. Me know me me them call me on the phone already. And when she call me on the phone, she have the fucking knife. She go stab up Dwayne in the house and Dwayne have to hold the 2 Dutch pot. She go club her with it. And me have to cry and I tell the woman, say, don't stab him, don't stab him. Just because she buy Dwayne one phone and Dwayne take with the phone. She take with the phone from Dwayne and Dwayne take it. It's a whole heap of things to this, you know. The mother cried to me yesterday, you know. Sorry, mama. But what she name BJ, but me have to talk, say me and you talk yesterday. Because if your mother ever come talk, you see lady. Oh God, the internet. Oh, remember tell her. If your mother ever talk, the things them, the internet pop up. You understand me? So me know want Queenie go on like say, yeah, she look here, me not have no time for hurt nobody, and me not want nobody tell no lie for me pitney, so me pitney send mother threat, you know, because the mother called me yesterday and I cry, you know, and I say, Odette, why you call my phone? I cry, she cry, you know, and she said, I didn't want to talk, you know, but I see my daughter telling lie on your son. Hey, lady, I truly don't know, you know, man. I never want to come on this thing, you know. I see you. I see the thing coming and coming, but I'm at work. And me say, you know me now, what do you call me a while ago and say if me want to go on it, go. Right?
Okay.
It's a lot of things to this, you know. The man saying done, man. Let him go now, man. Let him go. You beat him, go, you beat him. Come on, my son and my eye water. You're pitching on me pitty face. And me not say nothing. Me leave it alone. You understand? You beat him, go, you beat him. Come, me leave it alone. You tell him, say me and him a fuck. Me leave it alone. You understand? If you boy now, he better sleep 4 o'clock a morning, you call on him phone, and if you no answer, you tell him saying they with short woman there. Which part if you go get woman and I write on my yard in there? Eh? Look here now, man.
Okay.
People don't know the off, and I don't care who want to say whatever. Me is not a bad mother, not a bad mother, because I tried to help Queenie to come here. You understand me? And if she did come here, I feel me how she would have stayed till when she ready to go back her yard. Or wherever she would have want to stay. You understand? And she don't get it because the people them ask her for the what you call it something name now? the felony them where she get the people them ask her for the cancellation or the whatever. What the fuck it
Okay.
want name, I don't even know. That's why she never get it. You understand?
Okay. Okay. No, may I get the two sides of the story
Lady,
now.
is a whole heap of things to this thing. People don't go on the internet go ball for people sorry for them. Me no want nobody sorry for me for me not look no friend for nobody. Me have me money and me work me money and me take me early retirement and me get me millions and me come a United States of America. So me no want nobody feel like say me no saw soap neither, you know. Oh, anything them can do, me can do it too.
I
Okay.
mean, you know,
But
waste time. 3
you
years
know,
in America,
at
you buy a house.
3 year me there, baby love. And me buy a house, a 3-bedroom house. Upstairs and downstairs with a click go under my garage. Click it down and go upstairs. Me not see people and people not see me. You understand me? I do and come and make people know say me live there because I pay music do and play when him there my yard. And he can do anything in shit, in piss, in yam, anything he want do, brother my yard. No girl no let if he come say, hey, you can't do this and you can't do that and you can't do anything you want do on my yard. You understand? And doing in my house attack and if me no like it, he might talk too hard. And me no like it, you go say, oh, you hear me on phone. And on my house me inna. Me no know if you do in my house me inna. And do and you in a argument so early in the morning, me get up to go my work. And you go tell me say me no fi talk. And that bring the argument, to why me and she no really deal, When me live at the first house, she come out one morning and out there with her out of herself and a babe and a god. And me next son take the phone and said to me, say, Mommy, listen how the lady are going in the front of the yard. And I call her and I said to her, me text her, me say, Queenie, you can't be so in the front of me yard, because me have police, neighbors, me have people who go outside, them are Christian. And she tell me some word and hang up the phone. And from that, me and Queenie don't deal, You understand me? So she especially come on my yard, can do as she like. I mean, if she say nothing.
Okay.
So when she done, she can't go done me because she don't know fuck about me. All she can do is talk. It's 2 times I ever see that woman. You understand me? 2 times. Me no walk and thief nothing for nobody as according to she. You understand me? Okay. So that's her problem. I don't care. Me don't talk. I me just want you. Just leave me Pitney alone now. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. She said, if Dwayne did hear me when I put in the divorce in December, and Dwayne, because he get the visa. And if I love the woman, making him really tell her, say, he get the visa, And so he gonna draw back the divorce papers them. I see you that getting divorced long time. You understand me? So
Okay.
me no want nobody come talk about doing an opportunist. What the fuck opportunist? When When have? More than fly up and down pan plane and sit. When have? Nothing. But the 3 visa them. And I miss him go embassy go get the last one. So all who kill up themselves and a galang. Doing that Canada, and me pay Airbnb for him stay at Canada. For the 3 months him there. You hear me? I don't want nobody to come go and like say a Queenie did a pay this and a Queenie did a pay that. And mommy do that. You understand? Since he come
But,
America and him a take plane and mommy do that. And a Queenie money I do it. So me don't want people sit down and talk about doing an opportunist and doing that. What the fuck him have if he saying and get out of that? More than fly up and down. Eh?
so the divorce paper, are you encouraged you if you put it in the first time?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. When he tell doing how him figure suck out him big thinking mama a pussy and how him figure Hey, lady,
Me don't care
look here now.
what nobody wants to. Me do that for my son too. So me do everything for my son too. So that's how you go.
I don't care what nobody wants say. I'm my picking. I'm my picnic. When me see how this big old woman sit down and a deal with the picnic. Look here, lady, me a 58-year-old and she a 54.
I'm
And
55 this year. I'm
girl,
age group.
all it
But
to
she
them
said
what you put
she
her.
said somebody take picture of one pot and come here. Was that that what was did that happen as well?
What kind of pot?
Pod, napkin, sanitary napkin.
Yes, my next son. Okay. I hear she talk about water bill. She said give me £100. The £100 when she give pay the water bill because 3 times a day she don't have me yard a bed. She a bed, she a use light, she a use internet and nobody need contribute no money. And me stand from foreign and pay me bills. You hear me tell a lady? Me stay from foreign and pay my bills. Right? The pad now. One, she must have left a blood up pad in the bathroom. It's a blood up pad. And my next son step in it and him take the picture and send it come give me and say, Mommy, me can't take no more of this when them people there leave me place. You understand?
Okay.
All right. So as a year pick me now and he pick the tip in a blood up pad, what you woulda do?
Okay.
There's a whole heap of things to this thing when nobody not talk, you know. A whole heap of things to this thing. Me never hate the woman. Me never hate the woman. Me just never approve of no marriage. And furthermore, me did just come a foreign. So me never go left come down for come and nobody marriage. Cause that not
So
interest
you
me.
never did a foreign long time. You did just got a foreign when the marriage going.
Yeah, and 2020 me come up here.
Okay.
That's why do you no file for already. And when me realize doing go marry the woman and me couldn't file for doing again. You understand? I remember you when you come here, you have to work 2 years. I have 2 years W2 for sure. Say you work and you can afford to pick them when them come here.
Oh, okay.
And next year me I go for me citizenship. You understand me, girl? So I like me sit down here a long time, everybody a talk about why doing mother never file fee, man, why doing mother never that, why I'm please. Me sick and me tired of it now, man. Give me a break. Me work hard for what me want. Me no run in a store and run out a store and thief nobody things. You hear me tell you? Me work hard. When me have try get me house, me have problem because the people them say I 3 year me there owe me a buy house already. Them and gather them up and show them. And none of me money when me have a Jamaica, me not touch by this. You hear me tell you? Oh.
Okay. All right, mommy. We hear everything.
It's a whole lot to this thing.
So, guys, you heard what Dewey's mom had to say. You heard what Dwayne's mom's side of the story is. So, you know, that's her side, Dewey's side, Queenie's side, and then there's the truth. And only them alone can know what the truth really is. But it would be good if all these could be solved off social media, but I guess they live a social media life, so their personal lives are on the media. So I guess that's why they choose to come to the media to solve the issue. But at the end of the day, most of us that are listening, well, I'm hoping that most of us are just taking these things for entertainment, because at the end of the day,
when we go over there to Ziggy, you're the speaker, and you admit to it, and you said to me, say,
admit to what? It
You
what? What
admit
is the
to
word
it, and you say, it's Ziggy, you try beat you up, cutie and that, and you try go on it. I'm say, so why are you telling Ziggy that I've got money?
Cutie nobody no rob you. Cutie when you get robbed. Where there? One name try setup, Rob. What is try setup? Tell me.
Gangster, you're classy. Gangster, when you tell me, say, man come to you and tell your boss, say, you for put man for me and make him get your rap me too. See me get money. Wow. And then we got DR. Let me finish. And then we got DR. And then man attempt for burger the house, but them got the wrong house. And if you know, you want in a denial?
Burger, so wait, you bring money about DR for them, Rob. You got the surgery.
Did you hear what I said? I said over here. While I was in DR, you send them here.
Over
because
here,
you
where?
said, yes, gangster. And you admitted to do it to gangster. You said it.
Me admit what to do it.
Pull up the live goal.
I don't have no sense.
Pull up the live goal. Come on, you can't do this. We sit down here.
Why you being a liar, a political liar?
I'm my boy there, DR, man, too, man. I want to be cool, man.
Okay. So you hear when we're there, DR, you hear about the burglary?
Me hear everything.
Okay, and hear what? And the burglary there, them got the wrong house. That may I show you. So straight away, I did know I'm a sister, I'm a mother in here with my kids. Straight away, she don't know, say me a prayer. I don't get the phone call and them say the camera, them on them say the next door neighbor just come and say them need my camera, them need your camera. So send them the recordings, I give with the logins. I say it up on my son's phone. And them turn to me and say people come for burger to us, some black boys a while ago, and them see it on my camera. And we watch it on everything. And me I watch the camera and I say, it's weird that my dad DR with gangster now. Our man and our picking and me I do my surgery. And somebody attempt for breaking our house next door. And
where the duty?
Shut up, the blood clot sitting there.
Suck your stick in my cutie.
Stop sucking your big pussy.
Moderate. Okay, guys, if Uno full up the live goal, full up the live goal.
Suck up, BJ. Your mama suck pussy like that. Your mama was a sodomite to move your dirty blood clot.
Full up the live goal, guys. Full up the live goals.
No, your mama no blood clot. Well, I want to condemn no blood clot. Hello, us. This is why I'm not compound people blood.
Right, full up the live goal, guys. Because
you want time I want blood clot? Can you come mute me? What's don't mute me? And my time for talk. You want time? You have a big pussy long time. Fuck up, come on over here, blood clot chat.
Mute them one
blood clot reason and talk how BJ suck pussy like blood clot dog. No, you your sister BJ, your niece the one I want. Come talk how let me fuck your blood clot daughter them and you allow it dirty woman. Them walk and suck with like dog. All in a blood clot school days when you used to catch us in a one top store market. She suck body behind the flats bin. Move your blood clot. You can't argue with me, girl. You can't blood clot argue with me. Not so cocky like blood clot vampire. Who blame me cause you teacher?
Why the moderator unmute Queenie? Moderate.
You know what a blood clot mute every bumble clot minute over here. So that's how I'm gonna compound the dirty blood clot. Underprivileged dog shit page, you know. That's how I'm gonna compound the page. On the bottom and blood clot sodomite. Brimstone and fire for your Queenie. Go where you suck pussy and cocky like dog, me and your dirty blood clot. Where you're dead girl, you're walking dead. Where move your bumble wall. Move your come out of your blood clot or so that you have to do. All those are come down fire with the old furniture them. Where with the 50 different blood clot color carpet. Queen your pop down. Where you make sure you don't put on when I'm a pupina today. I'm a pupina that Camille. Girl, move your blood clot.
Jesus Christ, man. Moderator unmute Queenie.
Why you sick of that? Let me go back over here so go release the rest of Vice note them.
You know, so
you don't make sense over here. You broke her umbrella money and over here, so. Why you puff your mouth over here, so girl? Anyway, you get catch, you fucker, you. Go suck your mother. Go fuck BJ with your blood clot dildo where you fuck blood clot Betty Boo and Tamika and the rest of them.
Your blood
Go fuck blood clot Betty Boo and Jody with your dildo where you use fuck your mama Greg, y'all. Your blood clot, you see BJ cut off her blood clot here like the dyke she is. Look
yeah, you sure fuck. So I fuck out your dirty blood clot.
Me not the woman. That's why she fuck your from young to make your face so wet. Me know she fuck your from your young to wet. But your uncle fuck you and you climb up in a mango tree wet. A long time you get molested dirty woman. You climb up in a mango tree and make your uncle fuck your uncle. You fuck your uncle in a mango tree. Where dirty woman? Where? You fuck your uncle in a mango tree.
What's wrong?
Where your flux in a blood clot. Where you saggy. Nothing for you now move. Your implant them in your breast expire.
You wanna move?
Your
You wanna move?
them expire. Your muscle them now work. You all big. John all girl. None of your muscle them now work. Where you need to tighten your big wall. What? Queenie, I'll go and go suck your mother. I'm going back over Instagram for your blood clot. You idiots. Go suck your uncle or your father to death, y'all. And drop asleep and don't wake up. Come, know you stress out blood
Queen
clot.
Red, you could me have life though, baby. I do want me stress me have life. The one I will stress. Can you stress over me?
Hold on. She gone?
Yeah. Disgrace.
Sometimes when I watch